Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are safe at home. Yesterday we learnt about few methods of birth control, that was natural, IUCD, intrauterine contraceptive devices, and surgical method. Today in this online session we will discuss about few topics, and these topics are the last topics of this lesson, that is about test tube baby, abortion, and MTP. MTP means medical termination of pregnancy. Okay friends, my first topic of today's online session is test tube baby. Test tube babies are the outcome of in vitro fertilization. Now let us see what is in vitro fertilization. In vitro fertilization is a type of assisted reproductive technology used for infertility treatment and gestational surrogacy. In this case, egg is combined with sperm outside the body, that is in glassware, particularly petri dish. In the formation of test tube baby, an ovum is removed from women and it is maintained in a culture medium, and that culture medium is either calf serum or human serum. Then this ovum is fertilized by a sperm of husband or from a donor in a petri dish. After fertilization, zygote is formed. The zygote further divides and redivides to form blastula. Then this developing blastocyst is transferred to the uterus of either natural mother or a surrogate mother, where implantation takes place. Louis Joy Brown was the first test tube baby in the world. This is the figure in which it is showing that how in vitro fertilization is taking place outside the body. Means a sperm is fertilizing the ovum. As we have here seen that Louis Joy Brown was the first test tube baby in the world, like that Harshvardhan Reddy Bury was the first human test tube baby in India. This figure indicates about the division of zygote and formation of blastocyst. You can see here that how single cell zygote divides into 2, then 4, then 8, then 16 cells, and it able to form blastocyst. This diagram indicates about the different steps of in vitro fertilization. In this case, the first step is ovarian hyperstimulation, which means hormones are administered for ovulation. In the second step, egg is retrieved from the female. Then in the third step, sperm preparation and fertilization is done in vitro. After that, there will be formation of zygote. This zygote divides and redivides to form blastocyst. This blastocyst is then transferred into the female body through the female genital tract, and the last step is further confirmation of pregnancy. In this figure, you may observe that how a sperm is getting injected into the ovum to Now students, our next topic is abortion. Abortion means termination of pregnancy. It is done by removal of an embryo or fetus before it can survive outside the uterus, that is outside the female body. Abortion may be induced or spontaneous. An abortion occurs without intervention is known as miscarriage or a spontaneous abortion. If the embryo is abnormal or die sometimes, the corpus luteum stops producing progesterone. This will leads to breakdown of endometrium and finally abortion occurs. We know that progesterone hormone is responsible for holding pregnancy. So when there will be no production of progesterone, it leads to abortion and miscarriage. Now the next topic is MTP, that is medical termination of pregnancy. As we have seen earlier that abortion may be without intervention, but when there is voluntary termination of pregnancy, means with our will, before full term or it is done intentionally, then it is called MTP or medical termination of pregnancy. Nearly 40 to 50 million MTPs are performed all over the world in a year, and that accounts to 1/5 of the total number of conceived pregnancy in a year. Though MTP, that is medical termination of pregnancy, has important role in decreasing population, but it is not meant for that purpose. Sometimes MTP is misused by couples to abort even normal female fetus. Sometimes MTPs are essential where continuation of pregnancy could be harmful or even fatal to mother and fetus or both. So, it is necessary to get rid of unwanted pregnancy due to casual unprotected intercourse or failure of contraceptives used during intercourse or in rape cases. There is one important point to note that MTP is safe during the first trimester, that is up to 12 weeks of pregnancy only. MTP should be, that is medical termination of pregnancy, should be always performed by doctor or qualified nurse. Otherwise, it may result into death of the mother also. Thus, we have studied, discussed about the today's concept, that is test tube baby, abortion and MTP. I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you children and have a nice day. And for any doubts, any kind of doubts you please write your questions in the comment section.